And on behalf of my whole team, I want to say that this year we have tried to make a rigorous effort to, as sir already explained, to flush out the foreigners who are overstaying or staying here illegally without any valid document, travel document. So since January 2025, just to quote the figures, I will say that we have deported or given exit permit to total 77 such foreign nationals. And just to give a breakdown, I will say that 32 foreign male nationals have been deported, 13 from Russia, 12 from Bangladesh, 1 Ugandan, 1 Nigerian, 1 Poland, and so far. And in terms of female, we have deported 47 females, 17 Ugandan, 14 Bangladesh, 12 Russian, 1 British, 1 Ukraine. What sir already told you that there is a list based on the details of district police module DPM or leave India notices that is shared to us from FRRO Mumbai. So we have seen that leave India notices are not complied diligently by the foreign nationals. So based on these two data, we share the list of the overstaying or illegal migrants to district SPs, and they are also making a wonderful efforts to deport them. And with respect to C form and what is the process to fill it up will be explained by the DYSP FRRO. So I request Nutan to please take over.
House owners, the private house owners and the hoteliers, for that matter whoever providing accommodation to the foreign national, needs to upload a C form in our Indian FRRO or DOI portal, and it is a mandatory requirement as per Foreigners Amendment Act 2016. They need to upload the C form with respect of the foreign national within 24 hours of arrival of a foreigner in their place where they are being provided accommodation. For that matter, hoteliers need to apply for this online, come to our office, get the user ID approved, and then they get the access to upload the C forms of the foreign national. As regards to the private houses, in order to avoid a problem for the private house owners to come all the way to our office to get the user ID approved, they have been given approval online itself by using their mobile number, which is used as an ID for them. So once they register with their mobile number, they get access to upload the C forms of the foreign national. But here we have seen that the big hotels which are there, they comply with the instructions which are required to be filled. But however, the small houses which are lending their premises in a room form, or they lend their flats to the foreigners, it is observed that they are not uploading the C forms of these foreign nationals. So in view of this, when we go to monitor a foreigner, we don't get to track where the foreign national is staying. A foreign national comes to Goa, he will be staying for months together, but not a single C form is seen into our system where we can track a foreigner. So we don't know where the foreign national is residing. So suppose he is involved in any illegal activities and all, it becomes very difficult for our police people to get a track of these people. So I just request you to put it up to the public and make them aware that it is a mandatory requirement, and they should comply with these instructions and fill in the C form. And second one, I would like to say that once the person is provided accommodation, after he departs, the hotel owner or the accommodation provider needs to open up that same ID and put the departure date. That also is not forthcoming. So we get the person staying in a particular place from so and so date, but when he has left it, it is left blank. Still we don't come to know how long that person was staying in that area and has committed, if he is involved in any crime and all. So I appeal to you all to pass it on to the public so that they upload the details of the foreigner whichever is required, and which is a mandatory provision in the Act, so that we as Goans and Indians can secure our country of any ill effect and any security threat, etc.